I'm gonna show you guys mom's amazing cutting skills, but she just cut. I was like hypnotized. What are we making, mom?
We're making Filipino bistek.
Filipino bistek for brunch. So she cut up some steak, some beef, and now you're gonna marinate it with some lemons. Some lemony snickets.
Oh, you have to video this because the aunties wants to see.
The aunties want to see how you make this?
I cannot explain it.
Oh. Okay, you guys.
I can explain it, but they cannot understand.
Okay, you guys. This is very important because mom doesn't share this recipe with just anyone. You're lucky that her sisters want this recipe. So now we're gonna film it so they can watch it in this YouTube video.
That one is around maybe 1.5 pounds of meat.
Pound and a half of meat. Looks like there's three lemons going in.
Yeah. 3 lemons. And
yummy. Those lemons are very juicy.
yes.
And also mom got this lemon squeezing thing from Williams-Sonoma.
1,000,000 years ago.
Every time I show it in a video if someone asks. So that's from Walmart from Williams-Sonoma. You can probably find one at Walmart, like similar to it.
Yeah, maybe.
And then what's that? Some Silver Swan soy sauce.
Okay, let me measure it so that.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna measure.
Because my sisters, I cannot understand.
She's actually gonna measure it, you guys. Okay, what is that, mom? Oh my gosh, there's an annoying fly.
1/3. This is 1/3 cup.
1/3 cup.
No salt. You don't put any salt on this. Oh, this is perfect. I think. Yeah, this is perfect because I usually just pour it. But today I'm measuring.
Wow, mom.
And
this is our pre-minced garlic.
I got this from Costco. It's already pre-peeled.
Pre-peeled, but then you minced it.
And maybe this much garlic.
Okay.
And then you don't actually have to marinate this overnight. You just have to
do it.
Mix it.
And then
make sure that all this
cook it.
Yumminess goes on the meat. And then you add some we run out of the fresh pepper, so we're using this. So this is good. This is good. This Costco doesn't send me the wrong one.
How much is that?
Well, pepper is whatever you want. It's not just
whatever you want.
because we like. Some people doesn't like pepper, but
you guys have to put pepper.
Yes, one of my sisters doesn't like pepper.
Hi, aunties, if you're watching.
And then we can cook this already right now.
Okay.
You don't have to wait.
Alright, so now here we have our pan. We're just putting in some oil. Just to coat the bottom of the pan, right, mom?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
That's about 2 tablespoons of oil.
I think that's more than 2.
Yeah.
But it's pretty much just to coat the bottom, see? It's just to coat the bottom. So whatever kind of pan you're using. 2 to 3 tablespoons, we'll say.
Yes.
So we're just gonna let the pan heat up, and then we'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so now we have, are you gonna use half an onion or a whole onion?
Maybe I'll use all because
use a whole onion because I love onions, but this again depends on how much you guys like onions.
Also like the onions.
Because everyone here likes onions.
Even the little
I am
baby.
obsessed with onions. I could probably eat an onion raw by itself because they're so delicious. But yeah, we're just gonna cut it up, cut it in half, and then just slice it up. Okay, so here we are back at the pan and the beef is ready to go in.
Woohoo!
Hot diggity dog.
This is very yummy.
And then you just saute it, right? You just cook it in there until it's
you
cooked.
just wait until it's... With a skirt steak, it's very fast to cook. As long as you cut it against the grain.
Yeah, cut it against the grain and Mom cut them into really thin strips.
Yeah. And then wait until it's all cooked in the bottom.
Alright, you guys. Alright, guys, so when it starts looking like this, you are pretty much almost done, right? Then you're just gonna add the...
It's almost evaporated. So look at that. It's only a little bit left.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure the meat is already soft too. So you don't add any water unless you have very, very tough meat. And at this point, you can add your onions.
Yummy.
And
look at all the oniony goodness.
Stir them. If you want the sauce, you can add a little water.
If you want it to be saucy.
If you want it saucy for your rice. Some people like that. But we don't really like sauce. We like it dry, a little bit dry. And then you just keep stirring.
And now you just cook it until the onions get like
until
soft,
the
right?
onion is a little bit soft, or
however you like them.
however cooked you want it.
Because for me that would be good because I like crunchy, so you can cook it more so it's more caramelized and softer.
Yes.
So it's really up to your preference.
See, there's almost no more.
Yeah, because the onions absorb the rest of that juice. But yay, now you guys learned how to make Filipino beef steak. It's so easy. Comment down below if you guys have ever made it or tried it, or if you're going to try making it.
And remember, no salt. You don't add salt.
Yeah, remember, do not add more salt because you already have enough in that soy sauce for the meat.
Yes.
So this is a super easy. Wow, this only has a few ingredients.
Yeah.
Pepper, soy sauce, and lemon.
Yeah.
And then onion. That's 4. Plus the meat, 5. 5 ingredient Filipino dish in 10 minutes or less. Wow. Amazing.
So you'll have dinner in less than 30 minutes.
And then right here, we're also cooking some rice. So,
and
yay.
This rice is
Bon appetit.